Okay, so simple subject was you, right? We said the simple subject on DGP Tuesday was you. We were trying to figure out the complete subject. You all said that should have gone are what is modifying you. Now, should have gone are the verbs. The verbs will always stay in the predicate. Okay, so what is our complete subject? Should have gone will be in the predicate. Can we just have you as our complete subject? Why not? What's that? You's the only thing doing anything in that sentence. What should you have done? Gone to the school dance, right? So you is doing something. You is our simple subject and our complete subject. It's both. So the single underline only goes under you. So you'll click and highlight the box. Click on your waffle like I just did. Make sure we have a single underline like I just did. And then hit the bottom border. Once you click off of the box, now you have a single line. It is very possible that the simple subject will be the only thing in the complete subject. It is very possible. So you is the only subject we're talking about. Does that make sense? Nothing modifies you at all. Now, what happens is that you does something, and that's not a modification. That's what it's actually doing, right? It's not an adjective. It's not anything. It's not a preposition. Nothing's changing about it. What is our verb? Is it VI or VT? What's our direct object then? If it's VT, we have to have a direct object. Do we have any direct objects today? Okay, so if there's no direct objects, we know our verb is going to be what? VI. VI. Remember, the word transitive literally means transport, right? To move to. The subject would use the verb to move to an object, to connect to an object directly. You gone. And actually, it should be you should have gone. But it doesn't connect to anything. There's no direct objects. Okay? So, what is our complete predicate? What is it you is doing in that sentence in its entirety? Just going to the school dance by yourself. It's the rest of that sentence. Remember to highlight everything. Remember, you can just click on that front box, hold down Shift, and you can arrow over is one way. Or you can be clicked on the first box, hold down Shift, and click on the last box. Oh.
I don't think holding on Shift.
Yep. Oh, did you get it? By that sound, I would say yes. Click on your waffle. Make sure that it's double underlined, right, with this bottom part here, and then you will click the bottom border button. And now you have 2 underlines. Was everyone able to get that to work? Sure, it says yes on a thumbs up. Landon, you said no? Shift is on the keyboard. Shift is not click that last one. Okay. Did you get a button?
Yeah, I did, but I just made it.
Nope, not right now. Not unless it's about DGP. All right, so now we have 2 prepositional phrases. Remember, we're going to put our parentheses from the preposition to its object of the preposition. There's 2 of them. Does anyone want to take a gamble at where our first parentheses will go around our first preposition? What do you got, Alex?
You should have gone.
Where's the preposition? Kylie?
To the school dance.
So you're saying a parenthesis would start here before to,
Yeah.
and then end at dance.
Yeah.
Is there a preposition up here? Yeah. Does it point to an object? Yep, you're right. So to the school dance. So what does that make dance in this prepositional phrase?
A noun.
A noun, and it's also what? Remember, we have to find, with every prepositional phrase, we have to find an object to that preposition. So what is dance?
Object.
It's the object that the preposition is pointing at. So it is the OP. Does that make sense? Preposition points to our object of the preposition. Okay? It's also talking about gone to the school dance. To is a direction. You have to actually move. You have to do something to actually change your location with to. So this one is an adverb prepositional phrase. All right? So we have one more prepositional phrase. Where do you think it's going to be at?
By yourself.
By yourself. So we're going to put a parenthesis before by. Kylie, you gained some confidence by getting that first one right, didn't you? A little bit. You're like, I'm not real sure. You did well, though. You got them both. By yourself. And I heard some other voices up front. Kylie just happens to be closer to me, so I can hear a little bit better. I'm old, remember? So, what is the object of this preposition? Me? Yourself is the object of the preposition. Again, are we saying you by yourself, or are we saying gone by yourself? Gone by yourself. So it's an adverb prepositional phrase. Questions, frustrations, anything about the DGP? All right, well done.